If you are a postal retiree or family member and you're 65 or older, the law changed for January of 2025. You now have to enroll in Medicare Part B. Costs $185 a month for the average person. You might be considered a high earner, in which case you'll get a notice that you have to pay more than $185. But about 90% of people will pay that $185. Now you might say, I can stay on my postal retiree benefits, but if I have to pay for Medicare, do I want both? No, the answer is generally no, and that's their goal. They want you to go, it's not worth it. Get off the USPS group plan and just go your own way. So that means you would take your Medicare Part A and B, and you would suspend, you don't have to terminate these benefits. You keep them there, you can go back later. And you get either a Medicare Supplement Plan G and a drug plan, or you go to Medicare Advantage and you pick a PPO or an HMO. So you're not going to have Medicare and benefit from having your USPS retiree plan. I mean, it'd be very rare instances when you were really, really sick where you would want to have both and one would pay primary and one would pay secondary. In most cases, you're just going to go to the private market. That's what we can help you with. Book an appointment on our website, themedicarefamily.com. We're licensed in all 50 states. We can explain the options that are available to you based on your zip code. Explain one option, going with Medicare Supplement Plan G or other supplements and a drug plan, or going to Medicare Advantage, a PPO and HMO. We can help you with all of that for free. Our services are free because we're paid as independent contractors by dozens and dozens of insurance companies. We're not affiliated with the federal government, and we'd love to help you. So go to our website or give us a call, 800-970-1964. Thanks.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.